11 Brilliant DIY Fashion Hacks. Fashion, fashion, fashion. It is a popular aesthetic expression at a particular time, place, and in a specific context, especially in clothing, footwear, lifestyle, accessories, makeup, hairstyle, and body proportions. Fashion has been long running ever since. To this day, we have a lot of big brands when it comes to fashion. We have Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton to name a few. We also have New York's famous Fashion Week where all designers and fashion enthusiasts are gathered for the event. But who says we can't rock the runway even with the cheapest fashion hacks? So, that's why we give you the most amazing fashion hacks and trend. Welcome to New Age Life Hacks, and here we are again. We welcome you to another video full of fun, easy and amazing hacks made just for you. Before we get to the fun part, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification to not miss any amazing hack video. Let's get started. Number 1. Scarves and jeans, just the perfect pair. Tie your scarf around your neck. This should look like two scarves in a loophole. Grab the other end and put the other at the back. Grab the hem part of the scarf and roll it upwards. Just midway your waist is enough. Tuck the ends on the jeans. Grab the other end of the scarf again. Grab the hem and roll it upwards until the neck part and tuck it at the back of your shirt. This trend is best for cold places for you to get warm, but never forgetting to be stylish. Number 2. Tired of your plain, boring-looking shirt? Let's upgrade that. Grab an old plain shirt. Also, grab a sponge and shape it into anything you want, may it be a heart shape or anything else. Soak the sponge on the bleach. After soaking it, quickly press it down your shirt. This way, the bleach will create an outline of what you designed the sponge to be. Number 3. Want to achieve that classic runway look with knee-high boots? Grab a pair of plain knee socks. The best color to use is black, but you can do it with any color you want. Also, grab a pair of heels. Slip the heel through each sock, and when it reaches the bottom, cut a hole for the heel. And also, cut a part of the sock in the sole part of the heel. This way, you will not slip as you are rocking your knee-high boots. Number 4. Got an oversized long-sleeved polo? Let's turn that into something amazing. Flat lay your oversized polo. Cut the polo into two just below its armhole. Grab the bottom. Fold the hem on the upper part and sew them together. After sewing, put a garter inside, then secure it by sewing again. After that, you can use that as a top model skirt to go. Number 5. Got wide square pants or leg pants? Make it fancy by sliding your whole body to one leg of the pants. Grab the other leg and tie it around your waist. It must look like an off-shoulder dress. You can then add an accent such as fancy belts or scarves. Number 6. Got a long skirt? Let's top that up by wearing it as a dress. Instead of wearing it on your waist, wear it over your chest. Add an accent to it by putting on some beaded belts or any fancy belts you got. You can wear this as a formal attire by pairing it with heels as footwear. Number 7. Tired of using your old boring sweatshirt? Let's turn that into something fancy. Lay the sweatshirt flat on the ground and turn it inside out. Cut an inch or two just in front of the neck drop. Proceed with the hem. Cut out a carat on the middle portion of the shirt, then sew them together. Sew a garter on the middle portion of the waist part of the shirt. And voila! Your boring shirt has been turned to a chic romper. Number 8. Turning 4 shirts into a multicolored dress? That sounds awesome! First, grab that 4 shirts you have and could willingly cut them in half. Cut the 4 shirts just under the armhole. Decide which top would you use as a base. Then, sew the other 3 after another on the hem. Having 3 shirt extensions would definitely create you a dress. You can add more if you want, just take note to choose shirts that go together, especially the colors. Number 9. Want to upsize your denim skirt? Put a carrot on one side of your denim skirt. 3 to 5 inches long would be enough. Punch symmetrical holes into the side of the denim skirt. Add eyelets to the punch marks. Grab a stylish chain and put it in the eyelets. Have it crisscross or in any way you would want to. Rockstar vibe. Number 10. Want to add cute kiss marks on your favorite jeans or shorts? Grab a cling wrap and cover your lips with it. Use a textile paint and outline on the cling wrap the shape of your lips. You can do this twice by using another color. Then, gently put kiss marks on your jeans or shorts by literally kissing it. Let it dry for an hour before using it. Number 11. A fan of cherry blossoms? Let's print that on your jeans. Decide which part would you like to try out your masterpiece. For now, let's do it on the pocket part. Grab a textile marker and draw branches. Then, grab a pencil and use the top part, the eraser, and dip it into the textile paint. Print dots on your jeans that look like mini cherry blossoms. Let it dry before using it. Also, you can draw as many branches as you like from the end to end of your jeans. Just a tip, don't overdo it. There you have it, guys. 11 brilliant DIY fashion hacks you need to know. Hope these hacks and tips can help you with your next OOTD. Do you know a style that can add up to the list? Share your thoughts with us in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up. And we will see you in another amazing video.